Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and welcome back to my channel Blinginaire. I decorated this cute Wednesday Adam t-shirt that I got from Five Below and these all black Converses for my goddaughter's 8th birthday party. But in this video, I'm only going to be showing you how I bedazzled her sneakers. And I also want to try something different. I'm going to take you along with me to her birthday party at Dave & Buster's and show you her having fun in her birthday outfit. This is something different. I hope you guys like it, so stay tuned.
This one I can do with the JABAIR. Me, I no get time for the JABAIR. Dada cover my face, calling me JABAIR. Biggie man, we know you get JABAIR. Let me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the Kelly, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the Kelly, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it.
So this is what about to happen. First we're going to pray over the food, right? Because we are godly people in this room, correct?
Amen.
Right?
Amen.
But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Such a natural. Yes, baby girl. Too cute. My goddaughter looks so cute in her outfit and she loved it, and that just makes me so happy. Well, actually, it's this video. Look at my goddaughter. Look how cute. Yes. And I had to get Alicia sneakers. Okay everyone, so I just gave you a glimpse of my goddaughter Alicia and her pearl dazzle Converses. Now it's time for me to show you how I designed them. First, I started with the black monochrome Converses in size 3.5, and now I'm going to prep them before I start putting on any rhinestones or pearls. I will leave all the supplies listed in order in the description section below. And guys, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. You see through the storm, take me as I am.
nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, 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 shadow. I dey cut when them kills over my. I dey try to buy moto or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young pass, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind, and not me to give you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, if you leave, I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby, as you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want me to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Back till the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need. Give me what you give me all you need. Give me what you need. Give me what. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need.
back at it, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body, check it, push it ready, yeah, in my day, double O, see, like, you love it, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, I want to give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need your gun, I go my eye, I'ma need your gun, do maybe, I don't money in there, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, like one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a bomb, make a bomb, make a bomb, make a keep a keep bomb, your body, make a bomb, on a make it check it, bomb, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I yes you want I go vex, okini nafia, okini baby, okini lemi, plenty money, okini nafia, okini baby, okini lemi, plenty money, toge ma give you one, where your motor, Messi agbe oya, balanga money, joya, shade joya, take a wole patako, I'm a sexy mama, follow me come my joya.
So this is the finished look, guys, as you already saw before, and I think they came out so darn cute. The black pearls and the hematite rhinestones complement each other so well. You can also use gunmetal rhinestones, which is very similar to the hematite. I love the fact that I use the mesh laces. It gives such a cute feminine touch to the look. I have a video showing how I make my laces out of ribbon. The link will be in the description section below. I've only used mesh laces one at a time, and that was when I designed her sister rhinestone CC Converses for her Sweet 16. Remember the sneakers I showed you earlier? Yeah, those. That link will also be in the description section below. Guys, thank you again for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And because you're here this far, you might as well go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And why not subscribe to my channel? It is absolutely free. Just click that subscribe button. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.